So 48-42 pa rin yung ating talaan. It is San Sebastian versus San Beda. Second half is here.
Nakakatuwa ito San Sebastian. Hindi mo basta-basta matatambakan eh. Bakit? Ang puhunan nito, lakas ng loob, tapang eh. Tsaka sipag.
At dito, talimag for the ankle breaker.
Medyo 2 beses na nangyari yung kanina kay Aguilar.
Nadulas ano?
Na ankle break. Medyo wet spot doon. Baka may nagpamasahe dyan ng, di ba? Na yung mga
player, ano?
liniment. Talagang madulas yan.
Ayan na. So they're attending to it. This is Coach Arvin Bonleon on your screens. His first year as the San Sebastian head coach. They showed a lot of promise, especially early on, Coach.
Oh, yes.
Ang simula nila dito, 2-0 eh.
Yes, nandyan sila. Coach Onak Magtulis.
Yan.
Nonoy Bonleon. Coach Rizal Castro.
Si Coach Ronald, isa sa mga pinaka-paboritong player yan growing up.
Yes.
Lalo na yung hairstyle niya, yung flat, tapos patusok sa dulo, ano? Nalala mo yan?
Oo, dati.
Diba?
Isa sa mga ano rin yan.
Ronald Magtulis. 48-42. Jomel Puno, one of the best when it comes to outside shooting. Wow! That counts for Yukian Andrada.
Inahampas lang ni Escobedo, lumayo yung bola eh.
Napaganda ba para sa San Beda? Raymart Escobedo. Try to bank it in. Did not work. Ito na si Penny Estacio. San Beda increases their lead to 8. They're looking to compound on it. Muntik na agaw. Naka-recover. Balik kay Andrada. Spray. Kalimag. Yes! RC drains it from the outside. And the Red Lions are back in front.
Ngayon na lang ako nakakita ng mga ganung backpass kay Andrada. Normally sa NBA lang natin nakikita yan eh.
11-point lead for San Beda. Tignan natin muna yung galaw dito ni Paeng Are. Counted off the glass. Plus the foul for Paeng, who now has 9 points. Has a chance to reach double figures at the line. Ipasa natin ngayon sa ating courtside reporter. Nandito si Mikay Mindanao.
With the Red Lions having the lead, ang instruction lamang ni Coach Arvin Bonleon sa Stags ay dapat masipagan pa nilang bumax out para maiwasan ang pagbibigay ng puntos through second chance balls. Ang sabi pa nga niya na dapat bumawi sila sa rebounding at puso pa rin para makabalik dahil Martin and Coach Jerry, after a long journey in this season, who wouldn't want to end their last game with a win? Balik muna sa inyo.
Thanks, Mikay. That was the main problem for San Sebastian in the first half. Yung kanilang hustle sa rebounding. And it showed in the stat line. Out-rebounded by 8 and a lot of offensive boards for the Red Lions. Celso wanted that slam.
Isasalpak talaga ni Celso eh. Nangihinayang siya eh. Buelo-buelo eh. Pero siyempre, alam mo na, pag nahawakan ka dyan, na-foul ka. So, mga ilang inches din ang ibababa ng talon mo.
Pwede tayo ng hinayang eh. Highlight sana, no?
Oo, sayang.
This is Joe Celso at the free throw line. Started the year as the, primary center for Coach Yuri Escueta. And then midway through, right before we started the second round, siyempre, dumating na dun si Bismarck Lina. So, they eased Bismarck into the rotation. Tapos si Celso na eventually naging backup.
Tsaka ang ganda sa bata nito kay Celso, tanggap niya yung role niya. Kahit masiro ito, basta rebounding niya, solid. Yung screening niya, solid. Pag may penetrate, nandun siya sa gitna. Okay siya. He's in a good spot.
A big-bodied center. Itong si Joe Celso. Paeng Are chooses to shoot. Are drops it in. Right over AJ Royo that time. That's just too good for Paeng. Or from Paeng.
Ibang galing nitong Paeng Are. You know, I mean, yung kaninang tinira niya kay Estacio, malaki si Estacio sa kanya, na-convert pa niya.
RC Kalimag. He's now starting to find the touch. This is his second triple in the third frame.
Isa pang ano din yan. Player to watch sa finals. No.
RC Kalimag.
RC Kalimag.
Again, known as a shooter. Itong si RC Kalimag. Meantime, tignan natin to. Paeng Are. Diba? working hard for his points. This time, over the defender. No problem from the outside. 13 points now for Paeng. AJ, Royo, up and in for Royo.
Yan, medyo mahirap yung ganyan. Lalo na, ilang dribble, 3, 4, dire-diretso, wala man lang kumulaps doon. Medyo, siyempre, kuminsan, alam mo na, coaches, they're practicing yung defensive drill, defensive schemes sila, almost one hour eh.
Yeah.
Pag-breakdown ng ganon. Uy, ba't ganon?
Ito si Raymart Escobedo. Ratio connects. Maganda yung bitaw ng mga players natin dito.
May tira din pala siya sa 3 points.
Oo. So, San Sebastian right now, 8 out of 20 from long range. San Beda shooting 50%, 8 out of 16, coach. Parang gusto nila yung ring dito sa Cuneta. As we see that tap from Velasco. It is picked up by Escobedo. Stop and pop from 3. Nothing there. Jomel Puno handles. Puno. Bumagsak si Jomel.
Yun, medyo hindi niya nakita. Pero dilaw na yung mga katabi niya.
Orex Gabat is hurt.
Eh, kay Celso ba naman tumama eh.
Nag-dive doon si Joe Celso. Ito yung sabi mo, pass back, behind the back. Mula dito kay Yukian to the corner. And Kalimag did not disappoint. Another one here for RC. And San Beda is back in front by 9, 60-51.
It's a very different team right now. Of course, we grew to love that team. We were together for a while. Now, completely new. I mean, I probably have 10, 11, maybe even more new players. I can't even count. So, different look. But I like the group of guys that we have also. I mean, obviously, we're losing a lot of really good players. So, hopefully, other guys can step up and help us win.
Siguro, masasabi ko mako-contribute ko para sa team na to kung ano yung missing piece ng team namin. Doon ako fulfill. Hindi na ako para...
San Sebastian versus San Beda in our final game of the elimination round. Ito yung nangyari kanina kay Celso at Rex Gabat. Ooh! Yep, that's Celso crashing into Rex Gabat's right leg. Pati ako nasaktan doon. Pero kita mo si Rex dito, just shaking it off. Rested it a little bit during the timeout. And he is ready to go again.
Parehong bato, nagtamaan. Tama, puro muscle din ito si Gabat eh.
Sinong mas matibay? Paeng. Drop off. Reverse para kay DJ Felibrico.
Kasi Felibrico, abang-abang lang eh. Abang-abang. Galing din dumukot.
Songkuya. Not really his strength. Sahon niya to Yukian, who is double-teamed. He gets clobbered on the sideline. Ito si Yukian Andrada. His brother is a San Sebastian legend.
Yutien
Andrada. Almost the same height, 6'6", as we see this. Tumama dun sa balikat neto ni Lintol. Ayun na nasa likod. Yung sa balikat ha. So, alam mong bato-bato si Lintol para sumakit ng ganun yung likod ng ulo ni Yukian. Taken away by Paeng. Are, San Sebastian has the numbers and TJ Felibrico finishes on the break. Ooh! Jomel Puno.
Nako, mukhang na-sprain pa ata. Jomel.
Yeah, bad landing for Jomel. This is not good for San Beda.
Sometimes, no bearing.
Yeah.
Yan ang yan ang downside eh. Pagka mga disgrasya, hindi mo naman ma-predict yan, pero...
Ito, coach. Pagtalon niya, let's see the landing of Jomel here.
Naku, napakan niya.
Landed on
Royo.
AJ.
Royo.
Holding on to that left ankle. So, I doubt.
Buti na lang magaang siya.
Yeah.
O kung medyo heavyweight siya, naku, karabing anong siguro.
Pero masakit yun. That was...
Mukhang papagpagin lang ata.
Yeah, he'll be helped to the bench. Yeah, I'm not expecting San Beda to field Jomel Puno back in this game.
Move to the next, player.
Yeah.
Ano talaga, oo.
That's right.
Pero yung position niya, very vital yan. Sa team nila, yan ang mga parang two-way wing din eh.
Yeah.
Malaki, mahaba, pwede gumitna, pwede mag shooter, scorer, pwede magdala ng bola. Utility in a way eh. Player.
Yeah. Crucial yung role niya dito sa San Beda. Now,
lalaki ng kalaban niya, just in case, mga kalaban niya, number 2, number 3, sino ba yan?
Benilde.
Nako.
Ang kanilang kalaban sa Final Four.
Oo.
So,
medyo kailangan mo na mga ilang yelo yan. Oo,
Then,
ilang.
ito naman yung kagandahan, Coach Jerry. They at least have, if not a week, a few days off. Itong San Beda. So, enough time for Jomel to, depending of course on the severity of the ankle injury. But he has time to recover.
Correct. But ang weapon niya is yung athleticism.
Oo nga.
Hindi yan siya parang Bismarck na pwedeng atras-atras. Ito, yung sprinting, ayun, medyo hindi naman siya nilabas. Pero baka makuha sa yellow lang siguro. Nothing serious.
So we'll see. We hope everything is okay with Jomel. And we hope it's not a major injury. As we see this foul on AJ Royo. 5-point lead for San Beda. San Sebastiano won't go away.
3 on the red Lions. 2 free throws for Raj Gaba.
San Sebastian naman, habang nandyan yung Escobedo, Are, Telebrico, Gabat, they will always be in the game. Lagi yan. Hindi mo basta-basta
Coach,
roll over and die.
ito yung tita nila Rex tsaka ni Ralph nanonood yan. Yung pinakita natin. Pangalan niya, Tita Starlet. Ayan, watching here.
Kahit no bearing na, no?
Oo naman.
Yan ang support.
Ayan.
Yan ang maganda eh.
Ayan o.
Ayun,
Gabat fam. Watching here in Cuneta.
Mga barangay Gabat.
Barangay, meron din ha. May bit-bit din na barangay, yung Gabat Bros.
Oo. Meron din barangay Liwag.
Meron.
Oo, madami din yun.
Marami yan. At saka yun, may ano talaga, ready yun. Merong streamers, merong mga signage.
May mga picture pa niya
Merong blow-up face ni Allen Liwag as Rex Gaba takes it away. Forward pass, Escobedo is gone. San Sebastian cuts the lead down to 1.
Marami sa mga student-athletes ng NCAA ang tumutuloy sa mga professional basketball leagues at may mga piling atleta rin na nagiging basketball legends. Ilan sa mga past and future basketball legends ng NCAA ay sina Kaloy Loizaga, Lauro Mumar at Freddie Webb na sinundan nila Atoy Ko, Philip Cesar, Vergel Meneses,
Alvin Patrimonio at
Samboy Lim. Isama nyo na...
Balik sa ating laban. And San Sebastian off to a run here in the third. They cut the lead down to 1. It is now, let's check this, an 11-0 run unleashed by the Stags here in the third quarter. And they're getting it from different players, Coach.
Yes, marami talagang pinagkukunan ang bawat teams dito. Kasi alam nila, no bearing eh. Ito yung mga inaantay ng iba mga bawas sa playing time, kumukuha ng kumpiyansa, yung mga players na mga kahit nasa starting 5 ka, siyempre medyo baka marami mga breakdown plays dito, pwedeng tumira or what, dahil total malaki naman ang lamang. Yan ang ginagawa ng mga ibang players dyan eh.
Ito si Bonzalida, pumasok na para sa mga bedista. Bonzalida has it. Eman Tagle Surveys. Proceeds to the corner. That was too high even for James Payosing, but ball will stay with San Beda.
Pero itong lineup ng kombinasyon ng lineup ni Coach Bonleon, pandiin niya to ha, itong 5 na to.
Sahon niya. No. Pulled down by Felebrico.
Posisyon ng talaga rebounding. Hindi kailangan matangkad ka eh. Tapos si Felebrico, malakas.
Nabanggit mo, Coach, pandiinan to ni Coach Arvin Bonleon kasi nakakalapit sila dito. So, why not make a game out of it?
Yes.
Diba? Oh, look at this move. Escobedo got tangled up with another San Beda player. Ooh, Tagle could not handle the pass.
Medyo malakas bullet pass yun. Galing kay Sahon niya. Oo.
So, substitution. Polo Gabat. Papalitan itong si Raymond Escobedo. Lalabas din si Rex Gabat. Mix Pascual coming in for him. Yukian Andrada replaces Menard Songkuya for the defending champions.
Bart, ano pa din eh. Iba pa rin pag tinalo mo yung San Beda eh. Kung San Sebastian ka, tinalo mo yan. It's a feather on your cap. Especially sa coach, sa players. Iba yung boost na binibigay sa kanila yan. Kumpiyansa mo, tumataas. Kaya ano yan eh. Lagi they're still in the fight. Ito San Sebastian.
Yeah. And now, they have a chance to take the lead. But they couldn't do it. Polo Gabat misfires.
Tuminterest din pala to si Gabat. Kala ko, puro bit-bitan lang ang ginagawa.
Pupukol pala, no?
Oo, tumitira pala na
sa labas.
Mga walang babala. Yung mga ganun, minsan, di ba kala mo, lulusin, biglang pak sa wide view, tinira. Ayun, mga walang babala tumira.
Walang babala.
No warning.
Yeah, no warning. Oh, Bonsalida lost it. Yukian recovers. Ito si Brian Sahonia to the cutting Payosing. Strong passes being unleashed by San Beda here as Yukian misfires. Bonsalida could not get it. Napunta kay Mantagle.
Medyo hindi makaroon ang San Beda rito sa labas. Yung medyo on-off yung shooting nila eh. Pero itong San Sebastian, marami pinagkukuha na ng puntos. Transition, mga drop pass, give and go, ISO.
Dito sa third quarter natin, outscore ng San Sebastian. So far, itong San Beda, 17-12.
Oo, unusual yan. Mahirap i-outscore ang San Beda pagdating ng mga third quarter.
Eman Tagle, straight away 3. Left it short. Payosing, wala pa rin.
Mga totok.
Oo.
Totokan, ano? Bihira sumablay si Payosing dyan.
Ito, Kalimag, wala pa rin.
Oo.
It feels like there's a lid on the rim.
Parang sobrang libre ata.
Oo.
Minsan, libre. Oo.
Paeng! No. So another chance for San Sebastian to take the lead. They could not capitalize. James Payosing. Payosing. 8 to shoot. Payosing. Nothing there. Ball is tapped to Polo Gabat.
4-5 attempt na sila ni San Beda. Bibira mangyari San Beda ito eh. Yung mga ganyang mga putbacks, malapit. Well, nag-ano sila, nag-iba sila ng kombinasyon. Puro mga walang bigs, legit na bigs sa loob. Minsan ganun eh. Wala silang mga inside player.
Yeah.
Kanina, kung nandyan yung Songkuya, Celso, chances are, papaulin mo. Makaka-convert sila dyan.
Dami nilang follow-up kanina, no, Coach?
Yes, pero ito na rin yung time para rin siya mabigyan ng oras, playing time.
So, Eman Tagle sets it up. Tagle, Kalimag sends it back out. Eman Tagle will choose to attack. Offensive foul.
Medyo may hawi doon, si Tagle.
He used his right arm.
Yes.
Right here to ward off the opponent.
Oo. Felebrico.
So ito na naman, Coach. Chance ulit para sa San Sebastian.
Yes, oo. Kailangan sa bantalay na ng San Sebastian yan. Alam mo naman, San Beda, tinetest din nila how they operate in yung mga ganitong situations like this. Underman, small lineup, tinitignan nila anong klaseng character meron ng players ng San Beda.
Bumalik na si Raymart Escobedo at nagparamdam agad. San Sebastian is back in front. For the first time, Coach, since 22-21, way back in the first quarter. And Raymart could not make the steal, could not complete it.
Nakita mo yung close-up ni Escobedo. Kinuha sa middle, umisprint doon. Tapos nakuha ni Payosing, natap pa niya yung bola palabas.
Okay,
Hassel yun.
Kumpiyansa dito ni Raymart Escobedo.
Oo.
Hitting the long two.
Umi-score na, kung may pressure pa. Pero player.
Nagustuhan nyo nila Coach Arvin Teka lang.
Yung hassle Yan ang mga walang statistics yung hassle Hassle points, wala. Yung energy giver, yung positive player lagi.
Yeah.
Nakakatuwa yan pati mga players na papasabay.
Nahahawa niya yung kanya mga kampe, dun sa energy niya.
Yes, oo.
So, 6 na segundo para sa San Beda. Quick turn by Yukian. Too strong on the float.
6 na siguro. 7 beses yung attempt na San Beda rito. Walang conversion.
So San Sebastian can go for the final shot. It is with Raymart Escobedo. Escobedo, step back. Oh! Almost, not quite. And so we would end the third quarter action. The Stags launching a 13-0 run to grab the lead, 61-60. When we return, payoff period here inside Cuneta Astrodome.